Good morning, viewers and students. So we are presenting a videos in English medium, especially related to Indian economy and AP economy. It is a most useful to the English medium students. So most of the English medium students, they do not success in the competitive examinations because lack of information not available in English medium. So they followed the Telugu medium, they depend on Telugu medium books. They are unable to understand properly some particular words and particular events. So that is the main reason we are starting a GKS Academy for competitive examinations. Especially we are preparing many videos relating to Indian economy and AP economy, GK and current affairs. So you can use most possible way and give our feedback to us. So we are making a beautiful, so on the basis of your suggestions, we are making a beautiful videos relating to the Indian economy and AP economy and give a meaningful idea about the recent and current concepts relating to the economy. So today we are presenting a important topic, most important topic. It is planning process. So planning process means what? Planning means thinking before doing. A deliberate, a conscious thought to achieve the predetermined targets is called it as a planning system. So the planning system first introduced in which country? So Russia is the one of the important country in the world, followed the planning system first. The result of the capitalistic system, economic depression was occurred in the 1929-33. Almost all the European countries, including America, a severe setback takes place. Hardly hit by these two European and American continent, hardly hit by the economic depression. At the time, economic depression not affected Russian economy. Why? In the 1921, they were initiated planning process. Gosplan is the one of the main organization, the planning organization drafted a plan 1928-33, the first 5-year plan under the leadership of Stalin. So that is the main reason. And at the same time, Russia is already following the socialistic economic system. So this socialistic economic system and planning process, so economic depression not affected on the Indian economy and not affected on the Russian economy. Now, so that concept was attracted by the Indian administrators. So in the 1934, M. Visvesvaraya has published a book, a great book, so Planned Economy for India. So he prepared and suggested a plan for 10 years. It was the first blueprint on the Indian economic planning. So he is called it as father of planning. So his core idea is, in that plan, he shifted the surplus labor in agriculture to industrial sector, would increase would double the national and per capita income in the country. So that was the first concrete idea on the planning system in our country. The first attempt to develop national plan for India came up in 1938. In that year, the Congress President Subhash Chandra Bose emphasized the planning commission is needed and required to country, has set up a national planning committee with the Jawaharlal Nehru as its president. Next, after that, Bombay Plan. So before independence, many plans were formulated by the inspiration of Russia. Bombay Plan. In the 1944, 8 industrialists of Bombay, George D. Tata, G.D. Birla, Adeshir Dalal, prepared a brief memorandum outlining a plan of the economic development for India. This is known as Bombay Plan. Bombay Plan, it is a capitalistic nature. It is related to heavy and basic industries in the country. And another second plan is Gandhian Plan. Sir Sriman Narayan Agarwal, inspired by the economic views of the Mahatma Gandhi, formulated a plan in the 1944 known as Gandhian Plan. So the total investment of this plan, 3,500 crores. He emphasized economic decentralization and rural development, and development of the cottage industries is the main criteria of this plan. People's Plan. This was drafted and suggested by M.N. Roy, Indian Labour Federation President, a humanist leader in the 1945. So 15,000 crores plan. So plan period is 10 years. This plan period gave a great priority to agriculture. This plan is based on the Marxist socialism. Marxist socialism. This is a base of the plan. And Sarvodaya Plan. So Sarvodaya Plan, drafted in 1950 was drafted by the Jayaprakash Narayan. This plan itself inspired by the Sarvodaya idea of Vinoba Bhave. So Vinoba Bhave is the Bhudan movement leader. This plan emphasized agriculture and small scale industries. Next, Planning Development Department. So in August 1944, British government, interim government, set up a planning and development department under the charge of Adeshir Dalal, but this department was abolished in 1946. And Planning Advisory Board. In the August 1946, a plan advisory board was set up by interim government and reviewed the plans and future projects. Immediately after independence, 1947, the Economic Program Committee was formed by the Indian National Congress Committee with the Nehru as its president. So these plans could not be implemented by the government. So these plans paved the way and laid a foundation stone, a solid foundation stone. The planning process would be started in 1950 in our country. So thank you. So please give any suggestions and feedbacks immediately. If you interested in this video, if you liked this video, please share to others. So it is a very useful to the students who are preparing for competitive examinations. Thank you very much.